CHAREADA exercise bands with handles are crafted from 100% natural latex and feature sturdy metal carabiner clips that will not snap or deform. This set includes 5 stackable resistance bands, each with different resistance levels. They can be used individually or combined to create any resistance from 10 pounds to 150 pounds. This versatile system allows you to customize your upper and lower body workouts to achieve your fitness goals. This video examines the versatile system and its many benefits. Full body exercise. Designed to activate your entire body, this resistance band set also includes 5 fitness loop bands and 1 figure-8 resistance band, all made from 100% natural latex with excellent elasticity. These bands provide a confident and comfortable stretching experience. Lightweight and compact, they easily fit into your suitcase or bag for workouts on the go. All in one set. The CHAREADA Resistance Bands set includes 5 stackable workout bands, 5 latex resistance loop bands, 1 figure-8 resistance band, 1 jump rope, 1 instant cooling towel, 1 headband, 1 exercise guide, 1 waterproof carrying bag, 2 cushioned soft grip handles, 1 door anchor, 2 ankle straps. This comprehensive set allows you to perform a variety of resistance training exercises. Build your personal home gym. Integrate this exercise band set seamlessly into any workout program, including yoga, Pilates, and Beachbody workouts. Adjust the intensity of your resistance band workouts to match your personal goals. The CHAREADA resistance bands are ideal for glute and leg training, as well as toning your chest, abs, biceps, triceps, and more. The best gift. Suitable for beginners and experts alike, these resistance bands meet a wide range of fitness needs. They make a great gift for any occasion, helping recipients build their personal home gym and achieve their fitness aspirations. If you received value from this video, please like, subscribe, and comment.